My experience has been transformational. I feel connected to myself. I feel connected to the people that have been in the group, online, offline, and I feel happy. So my name is Jason Serini. I joined the Breathing Cold teacher training, because I really wanted to learn more about myself, actually. So I was interested in how breathwork and ice bath cold therapy could also sort of unblock some injuries, the trauma I felt through my body. I really want to unlock it. It's been over 15 years. I was in a car accident and I've had sciatica. So it's like nerve pain to the point where I cannot sleep on the right side and not freely moving, because I'm personal training and I'm always on the move. So I just felt like it's a great opportunity to really focus on that. The lessons I've taken away from the Breathing Cold training one of the main ones was how to really listen to people without trying to fix them. So in my role, in what I do, is I coach people, but I also manage a venue, and I'm the solutions guy. So I'm always finding a solution. In relationships, I'm finding a solution. And maybe some people just want to be heard and not always found or projecting an answer onto people. So that was a big one. The biggest breakthrough I had by working with Alex, he has helped instill something that I knew the whole time, but sort of hadn't taken the step. And that's to basically just know that we have the power to do what we want to do. And if it means launching our own, Breathwork Academy, or even just starting on the first step of training and teaching people, I just feel a lot more confident right now to start. And for me, that was another part of what I wanted to learn. So I think for anyone that's wanting to join the Breathing Cold training, I'd even just sit and meditate on why you'd want to join training. What is the purpose? What is your passion? And then if there's things that are coming up that are sort of blocks on all the reasons why you shouldn't be doing something for yourself, have a look even deeper. Why?